The Add Products widget allows an option to search for and add a product directly to your cart, whether from a search, a recent purchase, or from your favorites, quickly and conveniently. To begin, log into your MyIllumina account. Next, select the My Cart icon in the upper right and click Go to Quick Cart. You can exit the following Quick Cart window to be taken to the main cart page. From the cart page, select the Add Products widget. When the Add Products screen appears, you can search for a product by entering its name in the search field and select it from the auto-populated list, and then select a quantity. In addition, if you made a recent purchase, you could see that purchase under Recently Purchased, where you can add additional quantities to the cart. Alternatively, if you have a product in your list of favorites, you can find it by selecting My Favorites in the upper right of the Add Products widget, and then select Add to Cart.